Houston at the 2017 Automation Fair event. The top companies in industrial automation are showing off their innovative products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network magazine. One of those top companies is Stratus Technologies, and I'm here talking to Frank Hill. So Frank, for those who don't know, tell us what your company does.
Yeah, Stratus really provides a modern information infrastructure. And what I mean by that, it's virtualization for the servers, thin clients, and fault-tolerant computing. So as you know, Stratus for 30 years has been building fault-tolerant computers, which essentially give you very simple to manage, easy to implement solutions that are perfect for the industrial segment.
And so when you have a server installed, what does the infrastructure look like? How does that work?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's changed a lot over the years. As you know, with IIoT, the computing infrastructure is moving further and further to the edge of the network. That means people are putting in critical applications in locations without any people even. And so the infrastructure needs to be simple, needs to be highly available. And that's what Stratus's unique value proposition really is.
And so this can be applied in any industry that has a critical application that cannot go down.
Yes, I mean, you could put this in any industry. Industrial automation is obviously one of our strongest industries, and our partnership with Rockwell has really been growing over the last 3 or 4 years, following the trend of the infrastructure at the edge growing in importance and criticality.
So I understand you have a new partner program.
Yes, we launched 4 months ago a solution partner program. The solution partner program is for system integrators. It allows them to get trained and Stratus certified, and allows them to deliver the best infrastructure for their projects, all within the Rockwell Automation environment.
And because you're an Encompass partner, your products are compatible with Rockwell's and they work together well.
Yes, Stratus, we're celebrating our 13th year as a global Encompass partner. So we've been around for a long time with Rockwell. Rockwell has also started reselling Stratus as well in their NSS organization. So yes, we're fully compatible, fully tested, and have a lot of successful implementations together.
That's really powerful, and it benefits both Rockwell customers and or Stratus customers. So check out the URL you see on the screen and find out how Stratus can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.